Welcome back to our corner. Today the Montra Electric Auto Rickshaw is set to make waves in 2025 as a game-changer in urban transportation. With the rising demand for sustainable mobility solutions, this electric auto rickshaw is designed to offer efficiency, affordability, and eco-friendliness in one package. Manufactured by Montra Electric, a subsidiary of the Montra Group, this rickshaw is built to provide an enhanced commuting experience while reducing carbon emissions. At the heart of the Montra Electric Auto Rickshaw is its powerful lithium-ion battery pack. This high-capacity battery ensures long-range travel on a single charge, making it ideal for daily commercial use. Unlike traditional lead-acid batteries, lithium-ion technology offers faster charging times, greater longevity, and improved energy efficiency. The Battery Management System, BMS, integrated into the vehicle optimizes power usage, prevents overheating, and enhances overall safety. The motor powering this rickshaw is a highly efficient permanent magnet synchronous motor, PMSM. Known for its superior performance, this motor delivers high torque, ensuring smooth acceleration even with a full passenger load. The motor's energy efficiency also contributes to lower operational costs, making it a profitable choice for auto drivers. A key highlight of the Montra Electric Auto Rickshaw is its robust chassis and suspension system. The tubular steel frame provides exceptional durability, ensuring the vehicle can handle rough urban roads with ease. The front telescopic suspension and rear hydraulic shock absorbers offer a comfortable ride for both drivers and passengers, reducing vibrations and improving stability. The rickshaw is equipped with an advanced digital instrument cluster that displays real-time information such as speed, battery level, range estimation, and trip details. This smart display enhances driver convenience by providing all necessary data at a glance. Additionally, a dedicated mobile app allows users to track battery status, receive maintenance alerts, and access remote diagnostics. Safety features have been prioritized in the Montra Electric Auto Rickshaw. It comes with a regenerative braking system that not only improves braking efficiency but also recharges the battery slightly during deceleration. The vehicle also features anti-roll technology, ensuring stability during turns. A bright LED headlamp setup and taillights improve visibility, making nighttime rides safer. Passenger comfort is another key aspect of this electric auto. The spacious cabin offers well-cushioned seats with